Hi everyone, today I just want to show you how do I clean my jewelries. If you like this type of video, please do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. I have my 2 bracelets out here. I'm using those 2 bracelets on a daily basis. And the first one is the vintage Alhambra bracelets from Van Cleef, and the other one is the Love from Kadia. Usually I will clean them using a ultrasonic jewelry cleaner. Just typed in jewelry cleaners in Amazon, and this is the one that I pick. It looks like so. Once you open it up, it looks like so. So the first thing that you want to do is to plug in. Once you plug in, you will see the screen is turned on. So right now 180, that means the timer that you can choose 90 seconds of the cleaning, and 180, 280, 380, or 480, that's extra clean. Okay, now we're gonna just try a 90-second one. The first thing that you want to do is that you want to move all my bracelets into the container. And now I have everything in the container. My love, I break it down because I want to clean them inside and out. Okay, we put some water in. Okay, now it's ready. Let's close this lid and just turn it on. Can you hear it? Okay, now it's almost done. Okay, done. Let's open it up and let's just see what it looks like. The inside. See, you can see the middle 2 dots. Before it was really dark. Now it's get all cleaned up. Okay, let's put it down. And then my Van Cleef bracelet. Let me show you really close. Okay, this is what they look like after cleaning. Let me show you really closely. Obviously, the scratches still stays on. But the inside is very clean. And this is my Van Cleef pieces, very close. Okay guys, this is about it. Thank you so much for watching.